Hello food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will cook a Spanish recipe that is made with only 3 ingredients. We are making Spanish omelette or tortilla de patatas. Start by slicing 1 onion. This onion will give the sweetness of this delicious omelette. The next ingredient is the potato. Cut 1 potato into small cubes, approximately 3 mm thickness. Now it's time to cook the ingredients. Heat 250 ml olive oil in a small frying pan. My recipe is for 2 servings, but you can use a medium pan if you need more servings and double the ingredients. Cook them at low heat for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Remove the onion and the potato from the heat and transfer them on a bowl. In another bowl, crack 4 eggs and whisk them a little bit with a fork. Season with salt and black pepper. Add the cooked potato and onion and whisk together with a fork. Cover them and let them rest for 20 minutes. Transfer the mixture back on the frying pan and cook it at low heat for 15 minutes or until there is almost no runny egg on top. Flip the pan over a plate and tip out the omelette, then slide it back into the pan and cook for another 6 minutes or until fully cooked. Transfer it on a plate, cut it, and serve it immediately. Sprinkle fresh parsley on top for an extra flavor. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!